Huh? It should update. Yep. Okay. Hey guys, we're live. You know, just the typical technical issues before we go actually fully live. We are here at Formnext in Frankfurt on a cellular connection. It might be as strong as Spectrum's internet. We shall see. We are here with Olaf of Bondtech, checking out the brand new Core 1 Indx here at Bondtech. There's a whole crowd behind us who's going to make a ton of noise. So let's just do it. Let's count down 2.
Yeah.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy freaking print year.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. My bad. Welcome to Core 1 Indx.
It's Indx on a Core 1. And here we're seeing the, I guess you would call it like the light variant.
Yeah.
Where we have 4 tool heads and 4 filament spools on one side.
I got it. Oh. So this one, pre-orders are effectively live, in theory.
Effectively in theory.
In theory, if you all have not DDoSed Bondtech servers by now, the link is in the pinned comment. It's in the description as well.
Yep.
We've got a 4 tool head Indx on Core 1. Olaf, I need to know more. I need to know more about this because this looks a lot different than what we saw in Sweden mere months ago.
Yeah. So, I mean, we have revamped the entire tool head. We gave it like a shiny aluminum chassis, some good internals. I mean, I think that both the Prusa call sign and ours is reliability, right?
Oh, yeah.
And serviceability. And I think we're maintaining that trend with this. So a lot of testing has went into this. As you know, we have been just brute forcing it every single day for the last months.
I know. I have heard.
Yeah.
As one might say. Are we able to open the door?
Yeah, go for it.
I didn't know if the door switch was activated, so there you guys can see it without the glare inside of, and this is the light version. So there are 2 prices for Indx on Core 1.
Yeah.
What are they?
$499 for this version.
Uh-huh.
And $699 for the 8 tool version.
So $699 for 8 tools on a Core 1.
Yeah, and that's the upgrade kit. You need to have the Core 1 already.
Right. Yeah, it is, and that's the Founders Edition, correct?
Yeah, it is.
So it might be available. It might already be sold out. We're not certain yet.
No.
But go test their servers and upset Cloudflare once again today. So you're telling me that I can get 8 tool heads on a Prusa Core 1 for how much?
For $699.
$699.
Yeah.
Huh. Didn't we see other? Never mind. They were more expensive. So this is both printed and milled. So there's some printed parts in here, some milled parts in here. This is beautiful. And you've got 4 and 4 for spool storage, right?
Yeah, we do. Of course, you're retaining like the original spool storage.
Right, for the 4 tool edition.
Yeah. But you have 4 external ones here, and this is of course also compatible with the Prusa dry box, in which you can have like your humidity sensors and like a completely vacuum sealed enclosure for your filament spool. Yeah,
and living in Florida, we kind of know that you don't need that here. It is so freaking dry here in Germany right now. My gosh. But dude, this is that is a lot of tool head for a small area.
Yeah.
How much smaller is this since we saw it in Sweden?
The tool head itself, I mean, it sits way better now than it did back then. And in the like production release version, it will sit even a bit lower, a bit better.
Okay.
The tool distance here is about 35 millimeters, maybe 36.
Okay.
So that makes us able to fit tools along
Guys,
the track.
hey, we're streaming. So yeah, this is serious.
It is.
How does it feel for it to be real public and available?
I mean, it feels great. And like looking at all these people here we can tell that a few more people than us are excited about it as well.
Yeah, recently we took our Core 1L to Maker Faire Orlando, and I have video proof of this. Every single person that recognized it as a Core 1L is like, so how many Indx heads do I get on that? Like, when am I going to get Indx on this machine? When is that going to happen? And that is the big question. Indx, 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 Indx.
Yeah, I mean, of course we're gonna make something for the Core 1L.
Okay.
Soon.
Soon TM, soon TM. I like to hear that.
And that's gonna be the 9 or 10 tools, I think.
We are not. We are not.
No, it's not developed yet, but obviously more than on the Core 1. Here you
Oh,
can
we're
see
taking the top off.
Yeah, you can see the PDF routing here.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That is a really, I mean, look, anytime you're dealing with multiple tool heads, you have PTFE that you have to route. It's part of the deal. This is actually really clean. There's no extra cable chain. You're relying on the PTFE and the filament to provide that extra stiffness. It looks like the cooling. Oh, and it's not CPAP on this.
No,
this is using the Prusa 5020 fan.
Yeah, we're retaining the original fan for this. Also, we're adding filament sensor for each line of filament.
Okay, so this is where the filament sensors are then. Wow.
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's good. So it can do failover then too, in theory.
In theory, yeah. I mean, in theory, it can do infinite spools. That depends on the firmware, I guess. But in theory.
I like that ability for failover, right? It means that you're able to use machines like this for longer without having to stop, right? So, okay. So I guess that means I have something that I have to give you. I have a couple things I need to give you. So when we were in Sweden, you had me try Swedish fish. So this is Swedish fish in America. Have you actually tried them before?
I have.
Okay, so you know that they're not that great.
Yeah, I do know that.
Okay, and so I've got something else then. I'm going to show it to the chat first here. This is a screenshot from Discord saying that Olaf would give away a machine for $1 million. He would give a machine to someone if they handed him $1 million. And
US.
there is nothing in there that says US dollars, good sir. So let me go ahead and pull out. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. There's at least 8 million in here. So I'll give you $1 million.
$1 million.
It says $1 million right on it. Okay, it says
$1 million.
$1 million. I'm not lying. Okay, he said $1 million. I gave the man $1 million. So thanks, guys. I'm gonna take this. We'll see you later.
Yeah, a deal is a deal, you know.
I've had this for so long. I was gonna mail it to you with a packaging of Swedish fish. And I'm like, nope, forget it. We're in it to Formex, and I'm gonna hand you a $1 million real, like, circulated money from Zimbabwe.
So I'm a millionaire now.
You are a millionaire. That is correct.
Thank you.
Well, oh wait, I need to give you another one.
Oh, 1 million
because
more.
Earlier today you said the same thing.
Oh, okay, so 2 million. Yeah, that's
the
great.
screenshot that I have, even though you did further correct it later, saying that you would come out and personally install it for $1 million.
Shipping not included.
Shipping not included. That's fine. That's fine. I can handle that. So when are you coming to Florida?
As soon as I get the $1 million US.
Yeah, but see, I have a screenshot before you corrected yourself, so I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll come down during the summer, something like that.
Not like the winter's much colder. So what's currently printing right now? What are we looking at?
I'm not entirely sure. I think like we have the finished object here somewhere.
Okay.
But it's like a demonstration object to just showcase the layer stacking, which is excellent, obviously, due to the Maxwell kinematic coupling.
Yeah, I'm looking at the I'm looking at how things are stacking pretty much perfectly, and I am impressed. Right? It is a beautiful machine. I'm not certain my XL gets that accurate. That's really accurate.
Yeah.
How are you guys handling the actual accuracy of the tools themselves? Sorry, we're live.
So we have the Maxwell kinematic coupling. It turns out if you add just a little bit of a special kind of grease to those, one time only during its entire lifespan.
Really?
You will have it will slip into place each and every single time.
Very nice.
So those two things together makes it pretty much perfect.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love that. Yeah, because like that's always the challenge when you're dealing with a multi-tool head printer, is making sure that like everything lines up perfectly, right?
Yeah.
And four is a little difficult. 8, much more difficult.
Yeah.
But it looks like, boy, howdy, you got that down, don't you?
We do.
So, how many people do we have watching us live right now? What's the number at? 900 plus people. Yeah, lots and lots of questions. So, why don't you want me to read them off?
Yeah,
okay.
you do some questions.
Everything else is in a language I don't understand, but at least this is fine. Yeah, your website is still being hugged to death, so
that's great.
That's fun. The GPS 7197 says, do we have kit price and availability outside of Prusa? So for other machines, like if you wanted to buy Indx for yourself.
I'm not sure that we do.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not really super up to date, but it should be available on the pre-order page as soon as that works, I guess.
Soon TM.
Yeah.
Soon TM. So, how long until SV08? Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Amber's saying for you to scroll up a little bit. But guys, ask your questions in the chat right now. Make sure you're subscribed. Leave a like on the stream. This is the first time that Bondtech Indx has been shown live to the world. You're welcome, I guess. I don't know.
I don't know.
Is it angry?
It is angry, yeah.
That's
now
okay.
it works. Now it works.
What do we got? Olaf being pranked by Florida Man. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's
constantly.
That's not being mean. It's called getting even. But
Yeah.
Sorry, we're live right now. Will it be available mounted to a Core 1 straight or only a kit?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Right now it won't be.
Right now it's just the kit.
But of course, that would be the ultimate user experience, right?
Right.
Being able to buy a printer pre-configured with it.
Right,
So
right.
tell Joseph you want that.
How do we? Oh, you know what? Go to Twitter. Go ahead and at Joseph, at Prusa, at Bondtech, at 3D_Musketeers, because for some reason we don't own the regular one, and say that you want it pre-built right from the get-go, and you don't want to do it as the kit.
Yeah.
What else we got? Joseph, we want that. Yep.
How is Indx supported software-wise? Is Prusa developing their own software for Indx? We are developing that together, yes. So there will be a custom, like an official Indx firmware upgrade for the Core 1.
That's awesome. So,
Yeah.
you think is that going to be like a fork of the firmware, or is it just going to be fully supported inside of like the next firmware?
I'm not sure if it's going to be just a configuration.
That is probably a Prusa question, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will the Core 1L also be possible here? I'll hold it.
Yeah, not right now, but yes, it will be.
Okay. We got a question about the max temp. So that's the thing everyone wants to know about, the max temp of
Yeah.
Indx.
I mean, the numbers we have right now is at least 50 degrees chamber temp, at least 300 degrees on the nozzle. We're constantly like raising that
Yeah.
limit. I'm personally printing at like 65, 70 degrees chamber temperature, so we're gonna be able to raise those numbers a bit. But that's the at least numbers we have.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah.
So I see any other printer support. Indx only for Core 1 is never mind. Eventually soon TM. I already know that answer. What is the current probing solution on the Indx? So how does it handle probing for the first layer?
We have a load cell integrated inside it.
Okay.
So that's gonna be available for everyone to use. I personally will use the beacon for
Yeah, I like the
editor.
beacon. I like the beacon integrations.
Because it's gonna be so much faster than tapping the entire bed, you know.
Okay.
So even if we do the load cell tapping for set offset and
Yeah.
automatic tool calibration, I'm gonna use the beacon.
Okay. And real quick, guys, stay civil in the chat. Mods, feel free to ban people with impunity. I don't care. Be nice or get kicked. What is the flow spec? How much flow rate are we looking at?
That's a complex question to just
Fair,
say one
fair.
number. But with a 0.4 nozzle printing PLA, we're at about 40 millimeters cube.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa, hold on. a high flow Prusa neck extruder is only like 25, 26,
Yeah,
and you're at 40.
40.
So this is not just a multi-tool head upgrade.
It's a tool head upgrade.
It is also a speed upgrade, a significant speed upgrade.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. See, okay. I guess people should know, I don't have a lot of like insider information. What you saw from like Bondtech when we went there to look at Indx the first time is all that I know. I knew what was here,
Yeah.
but I don't know about like max flow rates and stuff. That is insane, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, so what about on like a 0.8? What do you think?
I mean, a bit more, but we're starting to run into issues with like power consumption by then.
Oh, that's right,
So,
yeah.
But we have been like up at 60 with PLA, so you can
That's
do
excessive.
that at least for like bursts, at the very least for bursts.
Good
Yeah.
questions asked here. Nozzle sizes, TPU. Yes, what nozzle sizes will be available?
At
launch.
0.2,
Okay.
0.4, 0.5, of course, 0.6, 0.8. I mean, maybe larger sizes.
I mean, you guys
You
are the
tell me,
kings of
you tell me.
CHP. Can we get a 1.8?
I'm not sure if that's possible with this, but
Just
maybe,
like the physical sizes?
Maybe.
Okay. And then what about TPU? What are we looking at for flow rate on TPU?
You know, when you go to the softer TPUs, you run into issues with the
The Bowden tube creates
Bowden
way
tube.
too much drag.
Yeah. So that's kind of the primary limiting factor with softer filaments. But for like a pretty stiff 95A, you can probably go 10, 15 millimeters cube.
So when in doubt, throw blue pills at the filament to make it a little bit stiffer. Got
Yeah.
it. What is the power spec? How much power is it drawing?
I don't think
you
we
say?
have an official number yet, but
Okay.
around 50 watts. So you don't need a PSU upgrade or whatever.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right, because you would, in theory, need a power supply upgrade to the Prusa, but only because it's 50. Wait, it's only 50. It's only 50 watts.
50 watts. It's like the same as the standard cartridge. It's like
Yeah,
30 watts
that's
or whatever.
yeah.
It's close enough.
That's really really close.
Yeah.
Okay. No core on pre-config for some time. Talk to Prusa about that. 3 millimeter compatibility when? No. Really?
What do you mean, no? I mean, we're working on it, obviously.
Really?
I'm not. I mean, that version might have some trade-offs.
Okay.
Because you might need like
Who is still using 285 filament?
I mean, for TPU, it can be pretty good
Okay, fine.
because you can push it a bit harder.
Okay, well, you know, we always like pushing harder around here.
Yeah. So right now there's not a whole lot of stuff in the toolhead barring us from actually just swapping from a 175 tool to an 85 tool. There's some tweaks we need to make, maybe some trade-offs. Maybe that will be a different toolhead version with that trade-off in place if you want to do both.
And we can see chat, a lot of people are hitting Bondtech, so it's going to take some time. You all are DDoSing their website. Make them pay for extra traffic. So is there still a CPAP available?
There will be, yeah, because that's going to be the version where you can minimize the tool center-to-center distance, right?
But on a Core 1, it's not that big of a
No,
deal.
because
It's already there.
Yeah, and this one we can go from behind. Unlike a Voron, you can't do that because then
Right.
you're hitting the gantry.
Right.
On a VC bot, maybe you can like do the same approach, go from the back with a CPAP.
Luke's Laboratory says confirmed am DDoSing. You're actually getting signal. That's awesome.
Why are you DDoSing, Luke?
Yeah. Wait, come here. This is your fault. This is your fault. Come on.
my fault.
Keep going.
It's my fault.
It's his fault.
my fault.
Check out the Pika.
No, buy this.
And then, I don't know, put a tube on it or something. So can we use it for nozzle sizes? Yep, that's already supported.
I mean, don't limit yourself to nozzles, right?
No.
Put a pen on it.
What about a silicone tool head?
Yeah, maybe. Do you want that?
All right, so someone says, should I build a V2.4 or a Trident for the Indx?
Yes.
Yes.
I would personally build the Trident. I like that printer. Yeah.
The belt routing can be
I
rough.
vote for Trident as well.
Just, don't use me as an example for belt routing. Use
Yes,
Steve
the
here.
Trident.
Use
you
this
think
man.
the Trident too?
I think the Trident.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Maybe
Yeah.
we should get Steve in here to talk about some things.
Wait, you know some things? Other than belt routing, I mean, other than you belt routing and cats, you know things?
I think he knows more than you, man.
I mean, that doesn't surprise me. Most people do. All right, do you want me to trade off or do you want to trade
No,
off?
I can trade off.
All right.
I can take the.
Maybe we can share your mic.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you know, get over there
Just kind
and
of hold it.
get cozy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, all good, all good.
How is everybody?
You know, it's pretty good here. This is a good question from 3D Printy. Any reduction of print area?
A bit, yeah, because you need the tool clearance, right?
So how much do we know?
That's about 28.5 millimeters.
About
Yeah,
28.5.
yeah. If you have some over travel, then that's deducted from the loss in
Okay.
travel. What do you say, Steve?
Yeah, that's. I mean,
It is what it is.
There are ways to gain quite a bit of that back on a Trident.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if you went with one of the extrusion-based doors, you can move the docks quite a bit forward to where you can really minimize your
Loss.
build area
Yeah,
loss.
yeah.
Yeah.
We have a question from Mr. Smith 324. Diamondback nozzles.
Yeah, maybe. Do you want that?
Diamondback CHT. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want that too, Jacob?
I've been begging you.
Yes.
For Diamondback anything.
I've been
Yeah.
begging you. Do you have a contact with them already? If not, we'll get that.
Yeah, we have a
Yeah.
we have a contact with them.
Okay, good. Because if not, I was gonna do it.
Yeah.
Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Is Founder Edition a discount or the normal price?
Sorry, is
Founders Edition discount or normal price?
it
Depends.
Yeah, it
Prusa said it
depends.
depends.
Yeah.
That's what they said in the thing. The Nocturnist says, hello, Steve.
Hello.
Hello.
Website link is still not working. Yep, you know.
Yeah, I can't get out there to order mine.
Yep, no.
I tried. It just event saturation.
Yep, welcome to the deal. Tungsten, yep, tungsten carbide.
Yeah, we could do a tungsten tip. I mean, obviously we need the ferrous steel in order to have the induction work and heat it up. But a tungsten tip could be doable if there's enough benefit to that compared to just having it steel heated by
Right.
the induction.
So what about how tricky is it to mounting it on the Core 1?
It's easy.
Because there's no electronics, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's
To
gonna
each
be.
tool head, at least.
Yeah. No. It's gonna be prepared. Let's say that.
Tactical Printing says, anyone knows the price? It is €4.99 for the 4 and $6.99,
Yeah.
right? For the 8? I mean, come on, that's the best upgrade for multi-tool head available right now at Formnext. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. What is the rough time for change from leaving the print back to the model?
Right now on the demo print on the Trident, we have 17 seconds.
17 seconds.
But I mean, we're playing it safe. It's a trade show. We
Yep.
don't want fails here, but we're gonna be able to tune that down a bit.
I'm going to leave that up to Steve to really just tune it to Steve will be moving it as it's heating so it can be done faster.
Yeah. So we got a question. Hi Steve. Hi Grant. Hey Steve. How many tool heads?
How many tool heads on the Phoenix? Well,
Yes.
there is a limit in software, right? The software only supports up to 32.
I don't know.
Crucial slicer, right?
Yeah, might be.
I don't know those answers.
I don't off the top of my head know how wide the Phoenix extrusion is.
900 something. Right?
So we can fit 28 to 30 of them,
Yeah.
somewhere around there.
That's just a few. Wexter wants to know if he can put in his order here and to save one for him. No, you can't. Someone asking about 2. You don't get that. Can we see a test print? Do we have any test prints?
Yeah, we do. We have one there, I guess.
What? What?
This is an Indx test print, Steve.
That is an Indx test print.
I feel slightly uncomfortable here.
I just gave you $2 million. Show that to the camera, the bottom one.
Bottom one.
Yeah, and then the top one.
Here. So you can click the QR code.
What does that QR code go to? You're fine. Oh my gosh. Delta compatibility when? Of course, someone's going to ask that.
I mean, you do Delta.
Yeah. Oh, the website works.
Oh,
The website works?
Yeah.
So sold out
Go,
in
go,
3,
go, go, go.
1.
Music to my ears. The website is working.
Apparently.
Yeah.
For now. Soon.
for now.
Yeah. DDoS it.
No,
No?
the vent saturation.
Oh.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to rely on inside.
Oh, it's now a 404?
Okay. Well,
It's kind of up and kind of not.
it's probably gonna come and go, but
Yep.
we'll get there eventually.
Look, maybe they're running Spectrum Internet. Who knows? The Luke's Labs have also mailed 100 million. I brought. You want one?
No, I have the bigger denomination, like the gold plated, like.
Well,
silver
he
ones.
said 1 million,
Really?
so I bought 1 million ones.
I think I have the $100 million bills, and I use those on my desk at work.
Yeah, they're fun. They're fun. Same old Jane says it's a roller coaster. Luke's. Oh, do you get yours first? Apparently, Steve gets his first.
Steve is a smart and lucky man.
Yeah.
Someone killed the web server. Clipper integration with load cell. We would love to get profiles on bed probing like Prusa. I mean, maybe.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, for the Prusa, it will be calibrated for that for sure. When it comes to Clipper, I mean, you do it if you want to.
I
Yep.
did a camera.
Yeah.
I mean, I used a camera.
Oh, you
It
mean
was-
for XY offset?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what we're talking about?
No, it's like, I guess when you probe, I bet, like imagine you're probing with a load cell on the V0.
Right.
You're gonna have vastly different results in the front compared to the back, right?
Got it.
Because then you need an offset profile. I think that's what they're talking
Okay.
about.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
Guys, keep asking your questions in the chat. This is what this is for. We are watching your questions.
Safe
Will it work with
engineering.
Voron 2.0, yes.
How complicated is the routine maintenance?
It shouldn't be that complicated.
Okay.
What is the beer
Um,
count?
It's one.
One?
Yeah.
And then will the front mounting
it's auto.
interfere with the Core 1's auto vent kinematics?
No, because we don't have the top vent, right?
Oh, right.
we
There is a
swapped it-
top vent because
Yeah,
you've got the
yeah.
top hat.
Yeah.
How that top hat looks. Okay, for the gentleman out there, it is a solid 14 inches, give or take. But for everybody else, it's about 20 centimeters.
130, 150?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go 20 centimeters just to be safe. Or
Yeah.
yeah. Pre-orders are
You
full.
overestimate.
How many tools on the Core 1L? Can we release that? Can we release that information?
What?
Is there a Core 1L over there?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
There is.
All right, I know the answer. Prusa told us.
Yeah?
It's 10.
10. Okay, then it's 10.
I don't like you. I don't like you. Is the pre-order SV0A compatible? No. Right?
No.
This is
I
just
mean,
for the Core 1.
Yeah. I'm not sure actually what, because we're doing like a development kit in the pre-order. I think that was the idea. Also, but that's not compatible like with anything.
Right.
You make it compatible basically.
I heard that you can get a numbered. Huh?
What's that?
Wait, where's Nerman?
What's Norman saying?
Hold on, yeah. I've heard that you can get a...
Numbered T-shirt with Olaf's handprint on it. What's that cost me?
I mean, how many Zimbabwe dollars will you
I
give
got
me for
another
that?
million.
yeah, okay, for $1 million. Sure. Thank you.
Now you'll get your shirt.
Yeah, okay.
Reference,
Yeah.
it is a million.
We already did that. No, we did that.
So I'm a multimillionaire now.
So call it the Prusa X10L. Tool connection type, CAN, USB, what is it?
Nothing. I mean, consider it connecting your like you're connecting your average
Okay.
hot end and stepper motor, but with a 24-volt power supply basically, and a SED probe.
Then maybe you'll know this. Can the spools be mounted anywhere, above or below the printer, or only on the sides?
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
In theory, you
It's
just
just
extend
a
the boat
filament
into.
path.
Yes, filament
Yeah.
path. But can you move the input anywhere you want?
The
Are you
input.
talking
Yeah.
on the Core 1
Yeah.
or...
Yeah, I mean Core 1, Core 1L, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we got a 2 USD V-Core 3.1 or V4 for Indx, or not too much different.
We have the V4, so that's what we're going to be testing on and probably give some advice about.
Yeah.
We're not going to have an official upgrade kit for that.
I love how people are asking, wait, so it's only Prusa to start? Indx on Core 1 Live. I feel like the... Never mind. Nerman says hi. Hi, Nerman.
It's not going to be Prusa only, as far as I know. Maybe things have changed. I certainly hope not.
Well, the pre-order right now is for Prusa, right?
I think it's for both.
Is it for both?
There's a development kit.
Yeah, should be a development kit. Gustav knows
Gustav,
for sure.
is there a development kit as well, or is the pre-orders only for Prusa? Both? Okay, it is for both.
Yeah.
So if you want a dev kit, go take a look at that.
Yeah, if it's not sold out already.
There was a couple comments saying you might want to sold out.
It's sold out already?
We're checking.
Yeah, maybe.
We're checking stocks. We're checking stocks.
Huh?
The website's being hugged to death, so we
Yeah.
can't check the back end.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine. What about Trident integration?
Trident integration is working. It's not fully refined.
No.
I mean, it's too early to be refined, but it works.
So can we call? Will Voron put out an official integration?
No,
No.
no. But we
Does Voron
will-
do anything officially?
Correct. So we provide the spec foundation
Yeah.
design, but definitely I'm going to continue working on refining mine and making the files available.
Yeah. That's great.
Absolutely. But
Fantastic.
I feel comfortable that when I get home, I'm going to be doing many prints.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And I think it's from my early, early testing is what I've done. That's
Yeah.
all. But from my early testing,
Yeah.
I'm
That's
feeling
pretty cool, dude.
comfortable that the next prints will be fine.
That's pretty cool. 3D Printing says website refuses to take my money, so I'll send some here. Thanks, dude. What does the founders come with? Do we know?
A
T-shirt?
T-shirt.
A T-shirt.
It should be listed on the page, right?
If the website loads.
Yeah.
You also get a sticker set. I mean, we love stickers.
Set?
Steve live stream went. Okay, God, come on. Now that's just mean in my stream. Damn. That's a below the belt one. All right, come on, Steve. Live stream when?
When?
Yeah,
That's a
when
good
are
question.
you gonna stream with Indx?
That is a good question.
Maybe next
Stay
week.
tuned.
We'll see.
Apparently, maybe next week.
Apparently, maybe next week. He's got Indx and he's got 2 kittens. This is BS.
Okay, let's not read that comment.
Oh God, no. Yeah, mods, please. Shane says he's here for you, Steve. What's the max temperature?
Oh, yeah. Hi, Shane.
So the max temperature, it's not a final number. We're constantly raising the roof on that one. For nozzle temp, it's 300 degrees, and for chamber, it's about 50. Like I said earlier, I personally print a lot hotter than that on the chamber temp. So
I saw something earlier asking about the printed parts. Is there any FDM or is it all SLS?
there is FDM being shown here. So the tool docks are FDM. The fan shroud, I believe, is FDM.
Okay.
And like the
Most of the Indx looks like it's all SLS.
Yeah, but this is like just for the show. Your final kit will be SLS printed.
Beautiful on your massive printer farm of SLS machines. That's pretty cool to see.
Yes.
Can you tune the gear tension or tightness for different filaments?
You don't need to. So we have something we call dual dynamic drive,
Okay.
which means that as we get some back pressure from the hot end, due to mechanical advantage, the gears grip in harder.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So that's how we are able to swap between like very hard nylon filament with carbon fiber straight to TPU without changing any settings.
Do you have any concerns with the drive gears for like fill material? Because all the nozzles are harder, right?
The drive gears are extremely hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Like we always do, very hard gears. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. It's someone had asked about Core 1L upgrade path. Yep, it's in development.
Yeah.
Will this only be an upgrade kit for the Core 1, or is there versions coming with Indx already built in from the start? Talk to Prusa about that.
Yeah.
Bro, that gear tech is wild. Nice work. Do you have something that we can take a look at?
Yeah, I do think I have something in my pocket here. So
I thought you were just happy to see me.
here's a prototype of the.
Holy crap,
Like a
this has got some
pre-production
gravity
unit.
to it. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you, Vanna White. Thank you.
So that's a pre-production unit of the Indx, very close to what you're gonna receive when you order. The changes you will see if you order the development kit is mainly in like the cowling, the shroud around it. We hope for it to be modular, so you can snap in your own part cooling solution.
Right.
Right now, this is showing like
Guys,
the
we're
external
live.
geometry for the Core 1.
We got Zerpo Psych. Sure. Thank you for the $5. Says I was literally about to buy a new hot end for my stealth burner. Might still do that and wait for Indx next year. But thank you for the live coverage Q&A. Thank you. Can I get a Florida Man citizenship grant? I don't remember if that's the person that printed in a hot air balloon. Yes. Pulls it out of his pocket. I mean, where do you think they get made?
Is that an index in your pocket? Or?
I asked if he was happy. I thought he was happy to see me, man. Can you mount tool head boards?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
On the Trident over there that we're showing, we have actually an Orbiter tool head board running.
Okay.
I think it's for the Smart Orbiter 3 or something like that. It's working great. Yeah.
Is the filament path fully constrained? How well does it print TPU?
Well,
Well, okay.
Yeah. It's fully constrained.
Mad Mike says amazing stream. Thank you guys. Get your questions in. We are reviewing questions right now, and I think I now need to get a Surface. Got to the site, but I had logged in before continuing. Darn my new. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, my Weedly arms are nowhere near a match for yours. Core 1 kit with just the Indx. No, it comes with everything.
The Indx is also
Yeah,
an extruder.
Indx is the extruder. It's
Yeah.
everything. How hard are your nozzles? How hard do you want them to be? I mean, how hard are they? Do you know in Rockwell?
No, we're not like set on what type of nozzle hardening treatment we're gonna do. Right now, we're using something we call carbonitration, something
Yeah,
like that.
that's a word.
But it's not like it's only skin level surface treatment.
Oh, no Nextruder. Yeah, no Nextruder.
No
Nextruder. Is it using Nextruder? Oh, it's not using Nextruder nozzles either, obviously.
No, I mean the Indx replaces that.
Yeah.
Step
And-
files available for custom integration. Yes, they should be available on our GitHub right now.
Gustav.
I'm trying to see Joel.
Oh.
Joel, GitHub open. Yeah,
Soon TM.
Joel is publishing the GitHub right now, so in a matter of minutes, we will have reference geometry for the toolhead itself. The tool docs is going to come later.
Is the reference geometry the beta one or has it been updated?
The reference geometry is for
feel
this.
free to
Yeah.
just feel free to get rid of
But
comments.
it's not final, it's the current state, it's going to change.
And we see a lot of people asking how tricky is it to mount it in a Core 1. It's simple. It's really, really simple.
Yeah. it
Yeah,
is.
because there's no extra wiring other than the main umbilical for the tool head. Indx is individual tools, but it's not individual extruders. It's not individual heaters. It's one heater, one extruder, multiple nozzles, if you will. But it's more than just nozzles, right?
Yeah.
Do you have an Indx nozzle handy?
I don't think I
Don't
do.
pull it off a working machine.
I mean,
I saw the look on your
we
face.
can.
That's the look I do when I play with my machine.
Yeah, that's the look that we all do. We're like, I mean, I probably could. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
How hard is it to clear nozzle clogs? I mean,
It's easier, I guess, because you can remove the the nozzle very easily. So
can it do an overhang test? If so, how far does it go?
the part cooling isn't final yet. So far, it looks good to like 70 degrees, but this particular part cooling fan shroud, it isn't great. It's gonna be great in the final release.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Retail 2027?
No, that's not accurate.
Okay.
That number is wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long, how does it handle distance to the heat bed calibration? On Nextruder, it's still or on Prusa, it's still the booping.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to do the same thing using a load cell, talking to the Prusa firmware in the exact same way. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Anything else? Step files are not up on GitHub. Yep, we said soon TM. Core
minute.
1L soon TM as well. We got a lot of soon TMs today.
Yeah. what's the mount for Indx on a MGN rail? So we are working on a very slim X-carriage for the Voron style X-carriage. Right now it's about 4 millimeters thick.
Yeah, it's super. It's a small part.
Yeah, yeah.
Hold closer.
Yeah.
Too closer. Yeah.
Yeah. So very slim X-carriage. Not like we don't need it to be the same style as the standard Voron.
Right.
But we're doing it very slim. Maybe we will need to do it like in metal, maybe, because we want to support 9 millimeter belts in the same.
I mean, I'm
carriage.
fine with more metal, more better. Nope, I'm not gonna say that. Can you try? I don't know, Andreas. That's probably pretty close. Is it suitable with a zero-G mod printer?
What do you think?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. There's no reason not. Why not?
I
You
don't
can
see
put
why
a,
that would be.
you have a bar in front on a 0G.
Yeah.
Are we talking about the 0G Mercury one? Then yeah,
Yeah,
it would work fine. Yeah.
I mean, it's a self-built printer. There's no reason that you couldn't do it.
Indx is very easy to attach to pretty much everything. That I can promise you that.
Yeah.
Tactical Printing asking, can we pick up our order at Bontech headquarters? Yeah, you can. You can. If you're buying from Sweden, you can choose that at checkout.
Can they
awesome.
Can they get a handprint on a shirt then from you?
Get a rattle
Bring a
gun,
million.
spray your hands.
Yeah, you might need to time your visit because I work from Stockholm, so I'm there like every other week for a few days.
Okay, so they
Wait,
said
before you- we are checking the website now for final, like, how many orders are available left. You guys are hugging it to death. Even the back end in the server room doesn't know how many are
things
left.
are on
So
fire. Got it.
Figure it out. It might be already sold out. It might not be. You're gonna have to check.
Oh, well, there it is. Jungo Fed Index for Construct.
That is already confirmed. We have 2 entire product lines ready for Indx on Construct. And it's happening. I've said it already. It's happening. It will be there.
I guess we have something to talk about next podcast, don't we?
Oh yeah, I've got so much I can talk about with integration and everything, and I've been under an NDA for so long. I have been wanting to talk about how
He can
cool
get through
this
mine.
tech is so much. You have no idea.
And all that for a
And
while.
I've had to look just dumb on stream. Going, I don't know. I know so much.
How does the Indx work with the camera?
Oh, we're getting out of stock error already out.
Yeah, I mean, there are, I think, a couple of different stock levels, like one stock level for the development kit, one for the push upgrade kit. So yeah, depending on your flavor, it might be out. The other one might not be out. I don't know.
Olaf is so Swedish. It's beautiful. Feel like I'm listening to my cousin right now.
Well,
Does your cousin
much
also
obliged.
like incredibly salty, repulsive levels of licorice? If so, then yes. Yeah, looks like
Still no info about XL. Sorry, XL is probably not going to be supported. Unless you hack it yourself.
someone says competitors seem to have Wisp issues. How does this fare? Guys, that's going to be way more based on your retraction, your temperatures, the amount of moisture in your filament. What you see for Wisp issues is because people don't know how to tune their machines.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
Indx doesn't have any like Wisp issues inherent in the
3D printing.
Indx.
Index for construct, you
Well,
say.
and more so, it cools down so quickly once it's docked. There's barely any ooze even.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. If you yell at me in the chat, I'm not answering your question.
Like, for reference, because it's not out there, we are already working on firmware for dynamic heating and cooling of the nozzle to even minimize like flow rate based wisping. Like there are going to be upgrades not just on hardware but also on software, and that's
Yep.
going to be open source. It's going to hit everyone, and it's going to just improve the industry.
Drop 3D is asking, how will the nozzle heights be calibrated? Do you have to do a first layer calibration for every nozzle, or how does the printer know where the tip of the nozzle is? So right now, the tool heads we're testing on, we don't have the load cell, which is going to be able to do this. So we're doing it with cartographers and with beacons. That
the right way
way
to do
we
it.
can do the individual set offset calibrations.
Steve,
just
how long have
using
you
those.
had one?
This print
How long have you
is
had one?
zero offsets for the Z.
You
I didn't
have-
change the offsets for
You
it.
didn't?
No,
No.
not at all.
How long have you had one? Can you say?
I don't know if I can say. I will say it's only been printing for a very short while.
Yeah, that's
I
on brand.
barely
though.
got this done.
I mean, that's totally that's a maker brand thing though. It's like I gotta get other things done. Working with any other companies for integration besides Prusa? Yes, literally, we just hi. Yeah, we literally just said that.
I mean,
So that is confirmed.
kind of. We're doing like the only ones we're doing custom stuff for right now is Prusa.
Right. Right. He does his own custom stuff. It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's crazy.
He's integrating it just like any other user would.
Oh no, Wexer said this is not quite one of my cart, and it removed from it while I was trying to pay.
Sorry, Wexter. Sorry.
For JCGH said for $10, thank you. Said, are there any estimates regarding how supply will improve over time? It looks like Founder Edition is sold out.
So we don't know.
It's
the honest
a
question.
demand issue, yeah.
We will do our best, of course, to sell as much as possible as soon as possible because it's in our interest.
Yes.
Yep.
So, I mean, we should be able to ramp up after first quarter of next year.
Okay. Which means you guys are probably hiring then, right?
We are going to be hiring a lot. Yeah.
So can we let the chat know that if anyone happens to be near Värnamo, Sweden, and they happen to be reasonably competent when it comes to running machinery, not 3D printers, but heavy machinery like CNCs,
Sure.
could they reach out?
Yeah, reach out for sure. Also, if you're like really into embedded electronics, software development, reach out. You don't necessarily have to be in Värnamo for that.
That's fair.
Someone
That's
here
fair.
says my MK3S is sad. You could theoretically
You can
integrate one on
upgrade it all the way,
MK3S.
but
Yeah, I mean MK3S was one of the very first platforms we
Oh yeah?
tested on. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
wait,
So
for
you-
Indx or Bondtech?
for Indx.
You tested Indx on a bed slinger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did the tool changes with set moves.
Yeah.
These damn Swedes, man. I tell you what, they're crazy. They're in a good way, to be clear, but they're crazy. Let's see. Yeah, it's
Site is getting hammered. Yep.
site's getting hammered. Wait a minute. So every printer that's support will now have an affix. It's not just a Voron Trident. It's indexed Voron Trident. What's the name going to be? Do you have an idea for what like Voron Trident with index will be?
Maybe Tridex, or is that taken?
No,
already?
Tridex is
I
already
did
taken.
Tridex.
But that's
Tridex is no more. It's now Trimax.
Okay.
Well,
well. Wait, so you can bring back Tridex, and it's now
Good.
index.
Yeah.
God, that's going to make it
Trindex?
terrible.
We can inherit the name, I guess.
Trindex?
Trindex.
Trindex?
Amber said Slavko. Slavko's in here somewhere. Hello, Slavko. I don't know where he is, but Amber said Slavko.
Yeah.
Is there going to be another
Says
chance
both
to
types are
pre-order?
sold out.
I mean, we might do a second round of pre-order, but honestly, we should just run straight to orders
Yeah.
by the time we're ready to
Yep.
to take more orders, right?
We got for 400 HUF. No clue what currency that is, but thank you very much. Can we get the physical dimensions for modders?
Yes, you are gonna get those as soon as the GitHub
As
is
soon as
published
the
and
GitHub is
open.
published.
It's published already.
It's apparently
so-
published.
Yeah, so you can get the physical dimensions now by visiting our GitHub. It's Bontech AB on GitHub.
Yeah, one of the mods, please post the link in there.
Says the GitHub is up.
Yeah,
Yep. Shane or someone, please post the link to the Bontech GitHub in there. Yeah, there might have been a slight demand. So this is your problem with any. This is effectively a brand new product that is coming out of nowhere for a lot of people, and you guys took kind of a risk and said, okay, we're gonna put this many pre-orders out, and it's sold out in. We've been live for less than an hour.
yeah. And with server issues.
How many pre-orders were available? There were 1,200 pre-orders available. It's sold out in 45 minutes.
Well, we think it might be sooner than that. Just the website.
Well, yeah, with website hugging.
The API isn't updated.
Oh, okay. Well, I would love to find out how fast it is so we could figure out the actual like machines per second.
First comment I saw that it was sold out was 25 minutes ago.
Okay, 25 minutes ago.
I do think that I
But there were
should
two
Yes.
items.
I should turn over the mic to Martin, the CEO of Bontech, for a bit. And maybe he can answer some questions or
I
say
can
a few
step out
words.
here.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank
you
you,
guys.
Steve.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Some other manufacturers from
Here. I'll just put this on you real quick. That should be good enough. Then we'll have you stand over by Olaf.
Okay. Yeah. So congratulations, Martin.
Congratulations, Olof.
How does it feel for it to be out in the wild now?
It feels really good because we have kept it quite a big secret. A lot of people have been working on it. So to finally be able to release it, it feels really good for everyone, I think.
Yeah, it feel, and how does it feel that even with website issues, in under an hour, all 1,200 pre-orders are gone?
Yeah. We are a bit caught on the bed, to say, or
Blindsided.
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah.
Okay, should we do some questions?
Hey guys, ask questions. We have one of the founders of Bondtech right here. Ask the founder. Excuse me. Looks like more than 1,200. If I ordered a Core 1 kit, which included an extruder system and the Indx upgrade kit, seems like a bit of a waste of an extruder. Put it on another machine. Use it for something else.
Second mic might not be working. Just give it a check.
Let's see. It's working. Here, I'll just get it closer. Not everybody's as loud as I
I
am.
think I'll step out here.
Okay.
You guys take it from here.
All right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Olaf. So, guys, keep asking your questions. More stock. That's the big question. More stock.
Yeah, we are ramping up production. Everything takes time. Yeah, we will have stock eventually, but it takes time. It's a lot of components that needs to be produced, quality checked, assembled, and everything, because we want to make it right. So
That's something that we saw when we were in Vanamo, which, I mean, still one of the most amazing trips we've ever taken. It's so beautiful there in the spring to see the fields of the, well, rapeseed, but canola oil for you Americans. It's just absolutely beautiful. And to see your guys' level of quality, having an RA meter to check surface and getting 4.7 microns or something for surface deviation is absolutely incredible. Yeah, 3D printer party 2026 Spain. Will the Core 1L be sold with the Indx, or do you have to buy the Core 1L separately?
as to start with, there will be upgrade kits further down the line when we have available capacity and production quantities. There will be pre-installed version of both Core 1 and Core 1L, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the plan.
And you guys are doing all the production for like the main parts as much as you can in Sweden, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. So this isn't being outsourced to some manufacturing company somewhere, you know, in China or something like that. This is being made in the EU, which is pretty darn cool to say. How much heat can it take in a heated chamber?
It's still to be really to set the limits. We have done some preliminary tests. I think Olof has most of the information related to that. I'm not sure that we will be ready. At least 50 degrees.
Yeah, Olaf said 50, but he has successfully tested 65 and 70, but it is not officially supported at this time.
I'm going to be doing testing on it to get the exact limit, and all that data will be available for information.
So Jacob from Construct 3D will be doing destructive testing to verify exactly how hot things can get, because Jacob likes to get it spicy.
I need at least one use of my thermal camera. I've not used it that much.
I've got my thermal camera. I brought it with me.
Mine's expensive.
Mine's not. Let's see. Where was it? Someone had said, and I think this is what we really need to say. Congratulations on a successful launch.
Thank you.
Anytime that you can launch a brand new product to a brand new audience, even with a little bit of delay, and it still sells out in under an hour, that's a win. Congratulations, seriously.
Thank you, Grant.
Like this to me is like the next step of Bondtech. Indx is moving forward from Industry 4.0 into Industry 5.0, moving into the next generation of 3D printers, which is awesome. It's awesome. Supreme Bean is asking, how are they handling calibration, feed rate, and pressure advance? Seems like you'd need to do it per tool head. Any idea?
I think I'm not 100% sure. It's more related for Joel and Olof that does that. So
That's a very technical question, guys. I don't even know the answer to that. 3D Brain says, looking forward to lots of printers having this ability. Can you share with us some of the other machines that you guys have been eyeing to put Indx on or have, you know, kits available?
I guess you have Olof had already told you about the development kit that is part of the Founders Edition. We really didn't have time to prepare kits for all possible printers
Right.
at this stage. We will continue to work on that, of course. Exactly to say when it will come, not sure. The development kit, we will have the print head and the tools, and then we will share the CAD files and the scripts necessary.
And just let them have fun from there, right?
It's more like a DIY because I think everyone knows that Bontic we're quite a small team, so time is not enough to do everything we would like.
And speaking of a small team, you're going to have to grow your team pretty significantly.
That's we need to do.
So local to Värnamo, what are you looking for? I'm sure there are people from Sweden watching right now.
Yeah, we are looking for, of course, operators, assembly personnel, quality personnel, but also for development. We're actually searching for like an embedded engineer to work with electronics and software. That's one we are looking for right now. So if anyone have any tips, please reach out to me. So
there you go. Yep, but we brought the Bontac websites to its knees. Wow, someone's being really petty in there. When the DDoS is not malicious, can you do IDEX index? Can you do IDEX and index together?
Yes.
why not?
I mean, I don't see why not.
No.
What? I was going to ask why, but I guess if you wanted to do identical or mirror printing, that could be of value. Dev kits might fit the SV08 Max if you get the step files and make some parts. In theory, it could.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, Martin, this is amazing. What do you hope to see from these Founders Edition kits from users to integrate? Like what is a challenge you'd like to see them overcome, or something that you would find funny to have happen?
I think there will be a lot of new thoughts on how you can use different tools, and also there's a room for not using a 3D printing tool, like a cutting knife or pick and place and whatever. So it opens up a lot of possibilities for sure. So I think we will see really crazy things that we haven't thought about yet.
So Indx isn't just for 3D printing. You can mount whatever the heck you want on.
Of course, yeah. As long as you can grab it, you can grab whatever.
Love to see it. Yeah, sorry guys, this is what happens when you have a really popular and successful product. Websites get hugged to death. We're sorry if you did miss out on your opportunity to get a pre-order in. Do keep checking, because some things might happen. That's all we can say about that. But keep checking, keep clicking the link in the description, in that pinned comment, to get your pre-orders. Maybe more come available. Who knows? We got a great one here. Martin, can you tell us what prompted Bontac to try and attempt this? It's a pretty ambitious project.
It is, but we have always been looking for new innovative ways to bring the industry forward. We did it with the dual drive. That's how I started. The dual drive extruder that everyone now uses.
Yep.
The CHT nozzle really improves the flow and things. It really to give new possibilities. And we have been thinking about how can we do multicolors, multi-materials in a smarter, easier way. So that's the Indx. And as you might know, we were approached by a guy, Mats Mosberg. That's the core inventor of the first technology behind this. So we have been working closely with him to the Indx. So he had the original idea. But we have been talking about it, but he showed us a working prototype. So, okay, this is it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The Astador said, whatever. Is the printing volume affected with Indx? Yes, slightly.
Yeah.
It takes up roughly 28.5 millimeters according to Olaf. So you will lose a little bit of print volume on,
Why?
anything that isn't built a little bit farther forward. So just be careful about that. Keep in mind that, and yeah, you'll lose a little bit, but you're getting multiple tool heads, okay? I feel like this is a reasonable trade-off, but that's just me.
Yeah. And to remember, the printers were not designed when Indx was available. So.
Right. Robin B.7502 with the €5 says, have fun in good old Germany with your crew. Enjoy. Thank you. We absolutely are. Indx is probably not compatible with the mod to increase the print volume on the C1. Probably not. Probably not.
If anyone added the index to their cart, the websites are now in state.
Guy, okay, apparently if you added to your cart an Indx founders kit, but while the website was getting messed up, go check your cart. It should have saved your order. Go check your cart. On a custom build, you could compensate. No, absolutely, yes, you absolutely could.
Yeah.
So the Core One width index is approximately 195 millimeters on the one size, right?
On the y-axis. Joel is the guy to answer that. I
Okay.
don't have the exact figure.
Okay. Did not get a pre-order. Need to get to Frankfurt and steal one. Please don't do that.
Yeah.
There are cameras. Don't do that. Yeah, remove it from the cart with the message sold out. Guys, go, 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 go. Go ahead and DDoS their site. So I'm so sorry for the extra money you're going to have to pay for website traffic.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
But, you know,
I think
same
we
old.
can take it in this.
Yeah, same old Shane says, just don't crash the site. Shane, they're going to crash the site.
Yeah.
How will it handle changes? Will be a problem if I have PLA loaded in head 1, but I'm printing PC on head 5.
No, so we have in the printer, we also have this thing called dynamic drive that is actually self-adjusting the pretension to
Right.
the material. And that is one of the key things, switching between the soft filament like TPU to a hard stiff filament. Otherwise, you need to tune it,
Right.
like we did before, but now it auto-adjusts, so it works really well, I would say.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Well, Martin, thank you so much for spending time with us and talking. Kata, you want to come on and say hey to people?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hello. Hi.
Guys, who else do you want us to bring on the stream to come hang out, talk Indx, let us know? Now, I can grab this back for
Yeah.
you because
Thank you.
look, these guys just launched a printer. He's got to go schmooze, okay? He's got stuff to do. Grant, any chance you can post photos of the Trident with Indx later? I posted them yesterday. I posted them yesterday. What about the price after the Founders Edition? We don't know yet. In the Prusa press breakfast, which was not a breakfast, it was just like a press briefing, that room absolutely violated some fire code. That was packed in there really tight. It could go up a little bit. It could go down with future, production efficiencies, but there is no exact answer yet. Can we print PPS CF10? It's a 300C max, so I don't know. You tell me. Show it on live stream. I don't know what they want to show us your filaments. They're right there. They're right there.
They're on the other side, kind of stuff.
Yeah, I mean, what do you mean? They said.
The camera isn't really.
Oh yes. Well, they're there. I promise. Please, Nerman says you need to get interviewed, Kata.
Maybe we can show it like this.
Nerman says you need to get interviewed. No, I'm getting a no on that one. Sorry. Is there some sort of nozzle wiping or cleaning? Prusa already does that, so if you wanted to add a mod, I'm sure you could, but it already does that. Okay, I'm going to ask for clarification because you said any silicon in this version. Is that silicon or silicone? Are you talking circuit boards or fake jubblies? I need to know because sometimes people misspell it and I don't want to get into something that you didn't mean. How does Indx integrate with the printer's software? There will need to be custom like macros and things like that made. But if you're on a Clipper system, that's pretty simple. If you're on a Prusa system, they do it for you. Yeah?
I'm in as you co-host until somebody else does.
Okay.
I can also answer those questions.
Yep.
So, when it comes to integration, I'll clip it on in a second, but
Yep.
I have not enough hands. When it comes to integration, there's already pre-done macros available for you for both Clipper, and I'm working on the RepWrap firmware side, because that bit is not as advanced, because I'm still working on it. But it should just be all of it configurable by automatic macros, so you can do it on any Clipper machine.
So, Indx, Diamondback tools when? I mean, we can go over and ask the Diamondback guys, but we're not taking the stream with us. Silicone 3D printing. Okay, see, this is why I asked. They said silicon, not silicone. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have an answer for that. Ask Filament too.
Yeah, that's
where are the
not a
pre-done
us
Clipper
thing.
macros? That I don't know, man.
Okay, so
It's just released for pre-order.
okay, I can tell you that.
Oh, okay. You know.
You forget, I already had access.
I already have
Special.
access. So my name's Jacob. I
So
already
on
have
their
access.
website, there is a beta page that already had all of the stuff on. I don't know if that is now public. It was password protected as of an hour ago. But on the GitHub, there should be either, if it's only the CAD, I've not actually checked the GitHub. If it is just the CAD, then there will be a dedicated page on Bontech's website for Indx integration. That also includes installation steps and things to look out for when it comes to integrating. But the last time I checked was a couple of days ago, and that was for the beta unit,
It can take a
not
second.
production. And I've had production, not beta.
The Nocturnus just gifted 10 memberships. Thank you very much, sir. Rune, Frank Rourke, Brian Walsh, Eric Colby, Jonathan Bush, Steve Knobs, Lance Wood, Larry Garcia, Renee, and Just My Day. All got, Jacob, do not trust that to stand up on its own, but the all got memberships from the Nocturnus. Thank you very much. Again, it won't let me super chat, so here are some memberships instead. Thank you, dude. El Mario Reyes said, some nostalgic question. Do you remember Diamond Hot End 3 nozzles in one? You mean the 5-in-1 Diamond? The old school. You remember the old Diamond Hot
Oh,
End?
the one that had the 5 inputs?
Yeah, it had the 5 inputs. Yeah, they had 3-1 and a
I actually
5-1.
liked it. It was stupid.
It was a bit before its time, I'm going to be honest. I think that now it might get more traction. I don't think it did very well back then because there wasn't good hardware and software to really support such a future forward thing. Donovan JM said, whoop, I think I just got a developer's kit. Keep trying. Go to that website. Use the link in the pinned comment in the description. Use those links, people.
Now remember, if your website crashed by the hug of death, go back. Your cart is saved. Your slot in that timeline is saved until you buy. So if you think you can't buy yet, don't worry about it. In addition, the API is struggling because of how many people are trying to do it. So the number isn't necessarily accurate on the website. So try put your order in. If it crashes, keep doing until you get
Just
to the
keep
checkout
going.
page.
Just keep going. Helix asked his cheaty question get answered pretty please. That's a cheaty question, not a Bontech question. Yeah, you guys wanted to see some pieces that were made on Indx. Thank you, Miss Vanna. Just be careful, nothing's glued in. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, we do have people getting their kits. So, Yoka, hey Yoka, how you doing, buddy? Said, hi Grant, still not sold out, so people can keep trying. It's a lag between adding a cart and checking out. What's going on, Yoka? Please don't repeat questions for attention. Be patient. Thank you, Mike, from Never Let the Machines Win.
Let me just get an answer for you regarding the macro files and the GitHub. So I'll just go get that answer for you.
Yeah, the ASCII files for the toolhead. We don't check.
We got an order confirmed from Safe Engineering.
Okay, so I got the answer for the Clipper integration files. They're not available yet, and they're not being shared yet. So only the people in the beta program have access to what there was. So if you know them, go ask them. Otherwise, make them yourself.
We are gonna share them soon.
Okay, there you go. They're being shared soon.
Epic Story Guy order confirmed here too. Look at that. Jacob and Grant, what's the beer count for this trip?
5 for me.
1 or 2?
I don't drink beer.
Yeah,
but
really.
When you're talking with the guys at Duet, you get beer. When you're talking to just Pusha, you get beer. It's a good
These
night.
events, people go hard in the
Now, the
paint.
real
That's all
question
I'm
is, how many
saying.
shots have you had yet?
4?
There you go.
4 last night?
You know what's really annoying? He called us, was like, oh, I'm going out with shots for Brewster, and we weren't there. We couldn't see him get drunk.
I didn't get drunk. Stop it.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Move on. Male Vital Oshnik. That's something MV in our server. Grant, how does it feel to be the release stream for Indx? This is the most nervous I've ever been on a live stream. This is the largest live stream we've ever had, period. And it's funny to me that it combines 2 of my favorite companies in the industry, Bontech and Prusa, into one. Yeah, it is technically Olaf's fault. Olaf in their Discord's like, oh yeah, Grant's gonna do it. I'm like, I guess we're gonna do it because that was news to me. But yes, thank you, sir. And now you're a multimillionaire because of it.
I am.
See, it is a give and take, as one might say. They're only worth like $2 US, but you know, The doctor said just barely got onto the website. Go. The core one behind you, is it a mod kit? Can you upgrade your Prusa? You absolutely can. The Founders Edition is available currently. Grant can do it. He can do anything. No, I am not like Timmy. Timmy can do anything. More nervous than getting a haircut on live stream.
Yep.
Yes, 100% more nervous.
Can you pass me the flyer? And I will show the stream it. So, oh wait, I'll show you the front of the flyer first. There is the front of the flyer. It looks good. There is the back of the flyer. It looks good. You can do it.
Mr. Scary's 3D print says, Jacob, scarf isn't long enough.
Hey, my scarf.
I still don't have that t-shirt, Grant. Wexter, I don't know, DM me and I'll get you a code. And you can buy them. Or if you do want to buy...
any streams without getting reminded that you need to send something out.
It's so true. If you do want to pick up some super sweet merch from shop.3dmusketeers.com, go check it out.
You know
Thanks.
what else they can check out?
What?
Bontech and buy one of these.
Yeah, links down below. It says commit to a version, then it says stock, but it won't let me click add to cart. Keep trying, keep trying.
The entire website is being absolutely demolished. Just keep trying.
Adamo132 says, can I use it on a Prusa XL if you decide to do the integrations yourself? I mean, in theory,
So
you
this
can
wasn't
do whatever
talked
you
about
want.
because they're not officially sporting. But I think you could add the head on backwards, and then instead of having the XL tool heads you could put the bar going across there and have all of the Indx heads on that side. You've basically got the printer running in reverse, but then you have a Prusa XL with the Indx heads on, and I think that would work because it should be.
That could work.
Or get a Construct One XL with Indx, because that is coming.
Wexter, just remind me later tonight and I'll send you a code. Don't go buy the shirts. You're good to me, I'll be good to you. Checkout was 30 minutes. But they checked out.
Got it.
And that to me is all that matters. You all have waited longer for Taylor Swift tickets before, okay? Stop it. At 3D Musketeers, is the metal case on top needed? Not have much space on top of my printer. This is printed currently. I guess in theory it's not needed.
You
but
could make that a lot smaller, so at the moment it's only there to hold the PTFE tubes.
You could probably, but here's the cool thing. You can find out. I don't know. Like we know he knows more. I know as much as you all know. Seriously, I'm not lying
anyone
here.
integrating and wondering if they can lower it, the tighter the bend radius, the more likely filaments will snap. One of the things you don't really want to go lower than is 90mm bend radius.
Okay.
Because that is the inner diameter of a reel of filament. And you can guarantee whatever
And that
filament
can
you're
snap.
printing with, it will never be smaller than the reel of filament. Anything less can snap.
Wexter said, Grant, if you put 8 cats on a t-shirt, it kind of looks like Indx tools. We have a whole plan for an Indx shirt. Just stay tuned. Had next to my cart, then removed, and now isn't. I'm cooked, question mark. I don't know, keep trying.
There's not much we can say. The website is under so much load. The APIs aren't able to keep up. Nobody expected it to be this popular when it was first announced, and now we're not expecting it to be this popular as we announce it. This is insanely high traffic.
Let's see. Schustroming again to celebrate the official announcement. We are not trying to get kicked out of the event, but I did threaten Olaf with a can of Schustroming if it didn't get released today. But okay, all right. Here's the thing. Here's the deal. Nerman, I know you're watching. I was going to reach out to you anyways, but now I'm just doing it on the live stream. I need you to get a can, and I need you to high-res 3D scan it for me, or I need you to take a bunch of photos, and I'll use Artec Studio 20 or the new Artec Studio 20 Lite and make a 3D model, because the first print on an Indx in my possession needs to be a can of Schustroming, and I am a little bit upset that nobody at the Bontech booth thought of that yet. Just saying.
That's because it's stupid.
No, it's stinky.
Curse, it's what it is.
Appreciating that this isn't a Kickstarter from 3D Printy. Did you hear that one?
What?
Appreciating that this isn't a Kickstarter from 3D Printy.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Is Indx compatible with Marlin? I believe it is. I've not actually looked on that side.
I mean, we have some insane guy who works with automations who is doing
Marlin
that
is
work for
painful.
us. Yeah.
It should be possible because it's just macros.
Keep
It is
closer to your
possible.
face.
Yeah, it should be possible with just macros, but Marlin is old. Marlin 2 is a bit newer, but Marlin is old.
Oh, Jimmy, you remember Jimmy? He was the other person that did the Schustroming with myself and Slavko.
Yeah.
And he is the dude because he had no reaction to it whatsoever. He said, "I can get you the pictures. Otherwise, it's in the cart." He says. Now, okay, Jimmy, I'm telling you, you have to go. If you get one, you have to go pick it up in person. You're only like a 2-hour drive each way. I will personally fund the gas to go and do it because I'm sure I'll have something for you to make fun of Olaf with by that time.
He's got an electric car.
I know, but I don't understand what to say for that, so I will fund the cost of making that happen.
It's a battery.
I don't.
You can tell he's American. He's not used to
Donovan
modern
JM
technology.
got the confirmation. Should I read this one? Should I read that one?
Yeah, go for it.
Word for word? Yeah. Okay. All right, we've got Meko X Jackal said the H2C looks impressive, but the Indx looks next level. And, oh yeah, it's more affordable as an upgrade. Just saying. Ella
You
Fox
can't see,
says,
but
hi, Olaf.
Olaf off screen is smiling like high heaven. It is so funny.
Rulusto said, my Bond account won't log on. Keep trying.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm on
Website back.
QVC right now, just like,
Buy now.
is this
and
what
now
the
you
crypto
get
bros
this.
feel like when they're hyping things up, you know?
Yes. But you actually get something, tangible.
I don't even have one yet.
Well, crypto account.
No, these.
Ah, that's a you problem.
It is a me problem. No reason it can't be added, but no one's coded it. Yes.
Yep.
So if you wanted to add this to any machine, get a developer kit of a founder's kit and then add it to your printer. But recognize you're doing a lot of work yourself. So something, good luck. And no, I won't help you belt your Trident. Olaf, any Indx tattoos?
Not yet.
Wait,
but
when is Emily the engineer going to put tattoo machines on an Indx to do a multicolor tattoo?
hopefully soon enough. Please invite me and I'll be the subject for sure.
Wexter got an order.
Yes, Wexter.
See, they are
Can we
going
get
through.
Yost,
They are
can we
going
get
through.
Joe on stream? I don't know where he is, so I don't have an answer for that. Yeah, hey, this is great. Now the website's back up. We got more people ordering. So, okay, they didn't sell out in 50 minutes, but that's because there was a lot of love on your website. Will you try to max out the orange Giga with Indx? That would solve a lot of the problems on that machine.
Yes, to the Giga. Yeah.
It attacked me, I swear. Yes to the Giga. Call him up. I mean, look, he's at a convention. He's probably schmoozing. I'm not going to do that. That's not nice. That's not fair. All right, guys. Any final questions before we call this one? We've got a lot more to see here at Formnext 2020. Huge thank you to Bondtech for allowing us to be the first live look at the Indx. Just seriously, go to the website, assuming it's working, take a look. If there's available pre-orders, get one in. I am sitting here streaming while I should be trying to order one, and I'm a little bit upset about that, but that's fine. I'll figure it out later. Good morning, good evening, good night. Guys, keep trying. What is the secret to the luxuriant fullness of your curls? Mine are Jacob's.
Yeah.
I'm assuming they mean Jacob. Maltese.
Well,
Mine, Cuban.
Well, that and actually a hair care routine, it helps. I didn't know that
What's a hair care routine?
I know, you can't actually use the 20-in-1, like, bedroom degreaser, engine cleaner.
Oh, I also use
jet
it for engine
fuel.
oil.
Yeah, like, it turns out, don't use that.
Yeah, apparently we're
and
supposed to be nice
go
about
to an
it.
actual salon and figure out what your hair care routine needs to be. Downside, it takes ages now. It takes me like 40 minutes. I am never complaining to any woman ever again about how long it takes to prepare hair because I am so much slower than they are now. Like,
We've said that you look like Ron Weasley and Tom Baker, apparently. But guys,
Ron Weasley got the go. I'm just saying.
I mean, that's fair. Don't forget to leave a like on the stream on your way out. Guys, again, check it out. Huge thank you to Bondtech for making this happen. Thank you to Prusha for getting us out here. Thank you to FiberSeek for helping getting us out here. And Bondtech hooked us up a little bit too. So thank you guys all for making this happen. Jacob, send him out.
Why do you always do that? I have like
I know.
performance anxiety. I can't do this.
Just do it.
I can't do this.
Do it.
Screw you. Screw you.
It's okay.
I
You've
got
only been on the
half of it.
podcast so many
Yeah,
times.
I've only been doing this for almost a year, and I still can't remember it. It's something making awesome, blah, blah, blah.
We're somewhat there.
Call your loved ones.
Stay safe out there. Don't forget to call your loved ones. Don't forget to check the links. Make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, keep making awesome.
There you go. I did it.
That was on cue,
good.
too. That was pretty good. All right. See you guys.
Give you presents.
What do we got?
Argentinian candy.
Argentinian candy?
Yes.
Alfajores.
Oh my god.
I don't know what this is, but I'm going for it.
Screw the stream.
wanna
Yes.
try
No, are we still live?
We're doing it. Are we
Yeah,
still
we're doing
live?
this
All
live,
right,
doing
let's
this
do
live.
it.
Don't care.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Don't care.
No, come on,
This
come
is
on.
now
Get in the middle. Get in the
After
middle.
Dark stream.
Yep.
This
No.
is, no, this is not the Making Awesome podcast anymore. As we all know, this is the Making Sawsome podcast.
Real quick,
Okay.
plug
There
your
we go.
channel. Plug your
Yeah,
channel.
like yourself.
I'm Dia de la Tuasa. It's a Spanish.
Wait.
Not Spanish.
Do it again.
Argentinian
Do it
channel.
again. There you go.
Oh, thank you. You want
There
to
go.
open this? So, I'm an Argentinian channel. I do 3D printing and I do crazy projects.
Yeah, put it up to that camera right there.
I've been to Antarctica printing,
You printed on a hot air balloon.
and I printed on a hot air balloon. Some people said it was stupid, and it was. It doesn't look yummy, but
Oh
it
no,
is.
this looks great.
Okay.
Oh, this smells so good. I'm giving one to Amber, too.
Look at this.
I met
Here.
the guys yesterday, and I'm amazed by.
You're
the
going to try one
quality
with us because
of
I
your
Right, are we
content.
doing
I-
that one first?
guess so.
You're giving me one so you can check it's not poison.
I look, at the last time that I ate candy without the other person eating it too, it was really salty and I thought it was going to be sour. So I'm a little,
This is
is it bubble gum?
no, but it tastes like it. So the interesting idea is that it tastes like gum, but it's
It
actually
tastes just
candy.
like gum. That's really good.
Do you like it?
Flynn Puff, right?
Flint Puff, yeah. But they don't pay us, so don't mention it.
That's right. That's right.
It's
See, he
not
gets it.
overly sweet.
No.
That's quite nice.
Yeah.
Have you tried Mexican candy? It's usually spicy. I don't like it.
Don't try Swedish candy. It is so salty.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't think you were getting a making sauceum in here, but here you are.
And this is
Oh
alfajores. This is like our thing in. Oh, sorry. These are alfajores. This is like our thing in Argentina. So the inside is filled with dulce de leche. That's like a milk caramel.
Amber, grab one.
Alright, up the chewy
Cover it. We're making a mess on the floor. Don't
Yeah,
make a
yeah.
mess on the floor.
You need to finish the other one first. So I was editing and I was watching your stream and I was like, oh, they're finishing. I'm gonna rush up there and give
What
you
is in
some
the middle
tips.
here? That's so good.
That is our dulce de leche. So,
That's why.
Oh no, I think this one are. I don't know. The packet says, but it's usually dulce de leche.
I love dulce de leche.
Yeah.
Is it?
No, this one is membrillo. That's fruit. I don't know.
I think it's fig.
So I'm gonna have to give you. I have more with dulce de leche, so you try that one.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you for letting me be in the
Yeah, man.
stream.
Yeah, man.
Um,
See, I've learned you have to have the host or the guest try it too.
yeah. I'm eating too much in this travel.
so good.
If my wife is watching, I'm still on the diet. Don't worry.
Yeah, this was for filming, and filming
yeah,
the
yeah.
calories don't count.
This is a business expense.
Yeah, it's a business transaction.
I'm acting right now. I'm not actually eating. Thank you very much.
No, thank you. This is
You are an honorary Florida man, by the way. Honorary.
Next video, we'll be attaching a printer to an alligator in Florida. So
Let's
we're
do it.
working toward that.
Let's do it.
Thank you.
no worries. The Making Sawsome podcast. Let's go.
Look, we've said it. We're a food channel that happens to do 3D printing. You didn't believe us. All right, guys, go check out the links down below. This is always a fun one. We'll see you later. Be safe. Take care.
Make some food.